Off camera, I have finished sewing all three of these backstitch feathery kind of shapes, and then also there's two lines in here that were backstitched, so I went ahead and did those. The only thing left to do on this particular piece is to do French knots. So I have a 4-strand of embroidery floss, and I'm going to just come up here in the circle. I'm going to have to pull a little bit to get it through, and I'm going to wrap from the base here. Okay, once, twice, 3 times, and I'm holding that, and I'm poking in right next to where I came up, and I'm trying to keep this taut with my finger here. Okay, we're going to try to keep that taut, and we're going to pull. It's a little hard to pull actually, and you want to make sure you're not pulling too tight, but we want to keep the tension on there. Okay, you can see I kind of pulled away there, got caught, but we're going to keep going and pull, and then you get a nice neat little knot. Now I don't want to have to stop every single time. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to take a little tiny stitch, and I'm not going all the way through to the front. I am just kind of catching it there. And that's 1 stitch done. I'm not going to bother tying a knot. I want to go and do the other ones. So I'm kind of cheating. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to just go under there, because again, I don't want to cut across where I might when I trim my fabric. So I'm going to come up here, do the same thing, where I come up in the center. I'm going to wrap from the base around the tip of my needle 3 times, and then put the tip of my needle right next to where I came up. So I'm still inside that dot, and I'm using my other thumb to kind of secure this and keep it from going anywhere. Okay, and pulling, and then taking my time, slowly pulling it through. Turn it over and stitch in place, 1 little stitch, and then once again I'm going to come over here, down here, and kind of just loop my thread through there so that I don't lose it, so I don't have it somehow coming up into this area where I'm going to be cutting away. Okay, so really do be careful about that. Anyway, okay, my lights have gone up in my classroom. I hope this is still viewable. Same thing, last one. 1, 2, 3. Putting my tip back where I started, keeping that fairly secure, and pull. And there we go. We have a 3rd little French knot. I'm going to turn it over. Again, I'm going to take a little tiny stitch through there just to secure the knot so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I'm going to just come down a little more into the other embroidery, and I'm just going to wrap this a few times. I'm going to go through the loop to make like a little knot, maybe twice. That one didn't make a full knot, but this one should. Just like that. And then a little bit of a wrap, going under some other stitching. And there as well. Okay, so when that's done, I'm going to trim the thread, and that piece is finished. Okay, later on, after we've done all the embroidery for all the pieces, we're going to actually trim everything, and then we will soak them and get them cleaned up.